you're experiencing crashes while playing Valorant, there are several quick fixes you can try to resolve the issue. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Installing the latest updates can often resolve compatibility issues. Step 2. Verify game files. Open the right client, go to Valorant, and find the option to verify game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can help eliminate crashing issues. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. Navigate to the settings menu in Valorant and adjust options such as resolution, texture quality, and shadows to see if this stabilizes your gameplay. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be consuming system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming software, and other games, which can interfere with Valorant's performance. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Valorant. This can help resolve persistent issues by ensuring that you have a clean installation of the game. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate crashing issues in Valorant. Enjoy your gaming.